Hey guys, so today I did my first ever decluttering, and this drawer needed a bally because I was running out of space on the countertop and everything. So I'm just going to talk about what I'm getting rid of from this bathroom drawer, which I can't believe held nearly as much stuff as it did. So I'm impressed with it, and it needed a good clean. And I just found some sad stuff. Like, I don't even want to get rid of anything, but it's like old. So anyway, okay. I found two little tubes of this Kiehl's Proline concentrate, which it doesn't have the expiration date on it, but I didn't use it. It was at the very, very back at the bottom, so I know it's probably old. So I'm sad because the ingredient list in here, well, I guess we've got orange oil, lemon peel oil, lime oil, so I guess I didn't really miss anything. I don't know, do they still make this? I don't know. Okay. And this is why this is the best thing now. I'm decluttering this because now in the future, I won't let this happen because now I can get rid of these and give these to other people to use them before they go bad. So anyway, the Basha Revitalizing Black Hydration Gel. Is this stuff really black? It's got the ingredient list on here. No expiration date, but it does indeed black. I guess I have never used this. It has a smell, a little bit of a scent to it, but I didn't see any perfume on the ingredient list. Anyway, I guess geranium oil. So I'm not missing anything. Although it is interesting. Oh, here we go. Titanium dioxide, mica iron dioxide, grapefruit extract. So we know how it gets the black color. Okay, a little tiny Juice Beauty sample. This actually does have the expiration date on it. You want to guess what the date is? November of 2019. It's been a long time since I cleaned this drawer out. A long time. So that's probably the worst of them all. So, okay, Dr. Dennis Gross, Alpha Beta Exfoliate Moisturizer Sample. I didn't really get into this one, I guess. So, I probably don't make that. I have two products that are nearly empty, but I know they're both bad. The Paula's Choice Power Berry Serum and the Antioxidant Pore Purifier. They're both very close to being empty, and Paula's Choice doesn't put the expiration date on, which is annoying because I can see like this one's getting like a little discolored, and I don't even know if they make this one anymore. So, and the Power Berry Serum, I actually really like this one, but now it's virtually empty, so it won't be an empty, it's just gonna go away, sadly. And I'll link to Terracyle below because Terracyle will take all of these, and a lot of these brands like Paula's Choice work with Terracyle, so they'll recycle things and for free. So anyway, I'll link to that one below because they can take all these containers and do good with them instead of just having them sit in the garbage. UB Moisturizing Skin Cream. This was one I kept meaning to test, and I just never got to it. And anyway, I kept getting samples of it, and obviously I just never got into that one. Okay, I've got two of these that are almost empty. The Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. They're pretty much empty for all intents and purposes. And anyway, it's a nice gentle cleanser with no lather, but I like a little lather. So, hang on, something fell in the sink. Okay, here we go. This is the Clarins Mission Perfection Serum. I don't even remember getting this. I don't even know why I put it in there because I'm sure this is overwhelmingly scented. What else? The Tula Revitalizing Eye Cream. Sad. I don't know. It's just a waste. I hardly use this one. But it's definitely empty. Another Paula's Choice Vitamin C Spot Treatment. This is almost empty too. I have hyperpigmentation, but those things go so fast, those little tubes like that. The Skin Ink Pure Revival Peel. I went through a Skin Ink phase, and anyway, I think this is one of those peels where it like feels like you're like has cellulose in there, where it feels like the dead things are coming off your face. So anyway, I think that's this one. And this one's almost empty, and it leaked because it's messy. And there was a leak in the drawer. Okay, here's the other thing that got leaked on. The Origins Willow Jelly Cleanser. I don't know. I use this a couple times, obviously, but not enough to really get into it. Okay, I've got two almost empty Glam Glow masks, which of Glam Glow, this is probably my favorite. mask, but it's so strongly scented and it really doesn't do much. But I will say Glamgo kind of helped get me into skincare because I was having fun trying all the masks, which probably didn't do my skin any good. But anyway, SkinCeuticals Triple Lipid Restore. This one almost empty. So Saturday Skin Featherweight Daily Moisturizing Cream. I like their Glacial Waterfall Cream because it's fragrance free and has a gel texture. This cream, their Featherweight Cream, is too much fragrance and I didn't love it. So anyway. Tufora Triple Action Exfoliator. This was a Birchbox brand, I believe. Or they were in Birchbox. And I really like their stuff. And I bought their serum, their day serum, their night serum, and their exfoliator. And they just didn't take off. And I don't know why. But anyway, I really did like this stuff. It's almost empty. The Alginus Genius Vitamin C Anti-Aging Serum. I guarantee this is oxidized. Well, unless it doesn't use L-Zorbic acid. 100% pure green tea EGCG concentrate cream, which is a very small sample, which is almost finished. So it's sad I couldn't finish these enough to get them into empties. So Skin RX Lab Return Serum, and this one also expired in 2019. Not that bad. You know what the worst part is? I was going through and cleaning out my cabinets in the kitchen where I have all my canned goods, and I saw one in there from 2016, and I'm like, I didn't even move into this house till 2018, so that means I moved those cans even after they're probably expired. But anyway, okay, Paula's Choice benzoyl peroxide spot treatment. This does have an expiration date on it of 1/22, so that's about a year ago, over a year ago, and that one's almost empty too. The Wish Trend Teca Barrier Cream. This one expired in oh my god. No, this says manufactured. Manufactured 2017. MFG. Doesn't say what date it expires, but I liked it. It only had a few ingredients in it, but anyway, it's almost empty, so it does have like a couple uses in there. That was manufactured 6 years ago. I'm just gonna get rid of it. It does have like a couple more uses, but anyway. The Easy Do Repair Control EGF serum, and this one I just tested it again because I wasn't going to get rid of it because this one's has about a quarter left, but I tested it again and it was so strongly scented that it's just, I'm not even going to hand it down because it's almost empty and it smells like flowers. It's bad. The Coors Pomegranate Resurfacing Mask. I must have tried this one out a while ago and not liked it, and then it just sat at the bottom of the drawer. Exuviance Oxygen Facial. This one is full, but I wish I had just donated these before. I just didn't like them, but whatever. This one's empty, almost. The Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask, and I've got a giant bottle of it. And it's about empty. The Cora Organics Dry Skin Moisturizer, which expired in 2019. Again. And then last but not least, the Clinique Oh, it lost me. Hang on. There we go. Follow me, follow me, follow me. No. There we go. The Clinique Self-Sun Face Tinted Lotion. You know what? Anytime I try one of these tinted bronzers, I just look ridiculous. So I'm done with it. It's nearly empty. So at least I got some good use out of it. I think that's it for things I'm going to throw. One more. This one expired 2 years ago. The Claire's Nourishing Eye Butter. I really like this one. It has a little bit left in it, but the bottle's starting to crack anyway. But it expired 2 years ago. I'm going to get rid of it. Almost empty. Anyway, at least most of those were nearly empty, so it makes me feel a little bit better about getting rid of them. And I made some nice space in my little cabinet, so there we go. Oh, this is the last one this probably got like 3 uses left. The First Aid Beauty Retinol Eye Cream, but anyway, it's probably not good. Now that I know more about how fast retinol goes bad, I'm sure this one isn't good because I think this one came out like 3 years ago, so I'm just done. think that's it. Oh, one more. This one's... I'm going to finish this one tonight. The Dr. Althea Azoline. I'm going to finish this one tonight because it looks like it's got like one more good use left in it. So anyway, there we go. Okay, I decluttered it. I'm going to have so much more room for more stuff that I'm going to use, and then donate the rest of things that are still not expired yet. So anyway, okay. That was good to clean. I love cleaning out things and making more space for new stuff. So anyway, okay, I don't know. Totally random video for a random day for random me. Anyway, okay. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.